Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we turn you into a purchasing ninja. Today, we're diving deep into the steamy world of cleaning with a showdown between the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop and the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop. Who will rise to the top, and who will end up in the mop bucket of shame? Let's find out. Let's kick things off with price. The Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is priced at $149, while the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is a bit more budget-friendly at $144. Now, many reviewers of the Shark praise its effectiveness and longevity, with one mentioning they have purchased it 3 times over 10 years. However, some online users feel the extra $5 for the Shark might not be justified, especially since the Bissell offers a great price for its versatile features. Next up, features. The Shark heats up in about 30 seconds and is noted by users for its ease of use and effective cleaning without harsh chemicals. On the other hand, the Bissell's lift-off feature is a game changer, allowing for above-floor cleaning. Reviewers have highlighted its versatility, particularly for tackling pet messes. One user mentioned the Bissell's extra attachments significantly enhance its functionality. So while the Shark is straightforward, the Bissell brings a lot more to the table. Performance is crucial when it comes to steam mops. The Shark is praised for its cleaning power, although some users have reported issues with steam production after a while. Conversely, the Bissell is celebrated for eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria, with users calling it effective for deep cleaning tasks. One reviewer specifically mentioned how well it cleaned their old linoleum floors. So if you want a reliable cleaning experience, the Bissell seems to have the edge here. Now let's talk accessories. The Shark comes with just its steam pad, which some users find limiting. In contrast, the Bissell includes 13 versatile tools, making it a Swiss Army knife for cleaning. Reviewers appreciate the added attachments, including a grout scrubber head, which enhances its usability. One user mentioned how the Bissell can tackle various cleaning challenges effectively, making it a favorite among pet owners. Finally, we have cord length. The Shark has a decent cord, but the Bissell boasts a generous 25 feet. This allows for greater maneuverability, as many reviewers have noted the convenience of not having to constantly unplug and replug during cleaning. One user humorously noted that it's long enough to clean without tripping over their cat, highlighting the practicality of the Bissell's design. In summary, the reviews indicate that the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is highly regarded for its effectiveness and ease of use, making it a solid choice for straightforward cleaning tasks. Meanwhile, the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is praised for its versatility and powerful cleaning capabilities, particularly for pet owners and those looking for additional features. So, there you have it. In the battle of the steam mops, the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop takes the crown with its versatility, price, and the added bonus of making cleaning a bit more enjoyable. But if you're looking for a straightforward mop that gets the job done, the Shark is still a solid choice. Remember to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description below.